Hey girl, hey. What? Welcome back to my channel for another Wig Wednesday. Y'all, if y'all are new to my Wig Wednesday, it's all about helping each other. I help you find the most bomb slanted wig on a budget because we're saving our coins all 2K19. You help me by subscribing because, like, it's just only right. Like, if I'm helping you, you might as well help me and it's free. Like, I help you save money, you subscribe for free, like, we all winning. This week is, you know, we blonde this week. We're blonde and bougie and cute and all that. Angles, oh, she cute from that angle right there. Sorry I missed last Wednesday, had some things going on, but we are back and we better, and you know, we just ready to slay and kill it. Kill the game. Fuck them up, all that. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get right into this Wig Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe, follow me on all my social media so we can be besties and slay together and be twigging on all our social media accounts. And yeah, and twigging means we're twins, and because we got on the same wig, so we're gonna be twigging. You heard it here first. So if someone else say they twigging with somebody else, they got it from me. Okay. But yeah, let's go ahead and get right into this wig because y'all, I'm feeling her, and yes ma'am. Come on, let's go. Come on. Y'all, see, this is what happens when I take off a wig. Like, I'm up here explaining to y'all about this wig and I'm rambling. My camera go off because I wasn't recording. my look, y'all, I'm rusty, y'all. But anyways, I was telling y'all about my ring light. It's basically in shambles. Last week had some stuff going on, y'all. I really have to be a little still. I can't be really extra because if I move too hard or bump anything, like, my ring light is gonna fall apart. Like, y'all should feel sorry for me. And with that being said, since you already feel sorry, you might as well go ahead and subscribe. No, but literally, like, my ring light is in like 2 pieces. Like, it's literally like I can take it. Y'all, my ring light is in 2 pieces. Like, it came off, y'all. I don't know how to fix it, y'all. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get right into this wig because I am excited about it. Yeah, I got it from Amazon, whatever, whoop-de-whoop. Wig cap like normal. Just gonna head and throw this wig on, let y'all.
Your number, I'll call you back if that head right, baby. I won't love you, I can't love you.
She real cute or whatever, like, she real classy, you know. She's here, you know. She wants to be seen, but you know, she's still cute and classy at the same time. I love it. Ah! Yeah, so far so good. The only thing I would say, y'all, this wig is kind of small, y'all. Like, don't clock me because I already know. But y'all, like, she is small, y'all. When I say y'all, she is small. I can even pull her all the way in on the side, but it's okay because she's gonna be covered up. Like, that's the only thing. Yeah, so what I'm gonna go ahead and do is add some concealer to my parting so that can stand out a little bit more. I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges so they can be popping or whatever because they're non-existent right now. But I'll be right back. Yeah. So y'all, this is what she's looking like after I've added some makeup to my parting and my baby hair slash edges, whatever y'all call it. Cut her some layers in here, so I'm thinking that you could possibly curl it a little bit, get a little bump action to it or whatever. I'm not sure yet. But yeah, y'all, she real cute. Like, I like, and she got some body to her, whatever. Y'all check her out. If y'all are interested in this wig, I will leave it linked down in the description box below, along with my social media handles, because I just want y'all to see this wig on Instagram and Snapchat as well. If y'all already followed me on Snap, y'all would have already seen what this week's Wig Wednesday was going to be. So kudos to you if you knew in advance. Comment down below if you follow me on Snap and you already saw this wig, because you're a real one. Love y'all so much. If you guys enjoyed, subscribe. I mean, even if you didn't like it, still subscribe, because this might not be for you, but I do have other wigs that might be for you, so just subscribe anyways. Okay, okay. See y'all in my next one. Later.
K to the E to the K, nah nah nah, KK. Boss, if you see every time I want to do, don't miss any time when you gotta go. Yeah. She wants to wind her to my gypsy girl, to something to myself. She wants to wind her, she be money on my place, she looking on my eye order. She wants to wind her, she be moving so quick, you never see her coming.
She wants to wonder.
She on me A1.
Yeah.
Now so me say.
She wants to wonder. One get high grade from a distance.